Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Adobe Premiere Pro, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Adobe Premiere Pro, begin by, if this is your first time opening Premiere Pro, you will see a welcome screen prompting you to sign in. Click on the sign in button to proceed. You will be directed to a new window where you will enter your Adobe ID credentials. Type in your Adobe ID email address in the designated field. Next, click Continue to move forward. You will then be asked to enter your password. Fill in your password and click Sign In. If your credentials are correct, you will successfully sign into Adobe Premiere Pro. You may be required to complete a two-factor authentication step if you have it enabled. Check your email or authentication app for the verification code. Enter the code in the prompted field and click Verify. Once verified, you will gain access to the Premiere Pro interface. In case you don't have an Adobe ID, click on Create an Adobe ID on the sign-in screen. Follow the prompts to fill in your information and set up a new account. After creating your account, repeat the sign-in process using your new Adobe ID. If you encounter any issues during authentication, double-check your internet connection. You can also try resetting your password if you cannot remember it. Once signed in, explore the features Premiere Pro offers. Take note of the cloud storage and project sharing options available. Make sure your subscription is active to avoid interruptions. After authenticating, you can start a new project or continue working on an existing one. You are now ready to utilize Adobe Premiere Pro for your video editing needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.